Hello, welcome to my channel again, World Kitchen. Today we're going to make Mediterranean Thais chicken casserole, and this is all the ingredients that we're going to use. Just the chicken right there. I need to cut that in half. Okay, this is some of the ingredients. Okay, but first I have to cut the chicken. Okay, what we're going to do, this garlic, we just have to slice it. You can just also put yours like 3 or 4 pieces of garlic, but mine I always put mine extra because I like garlic. Garlic is good for you. On the pepper barrel, you can use only 1 pepper barrel, red. I always use this one because I don't know why I like this. I like this kind. They're cute. And this, I just have to cut like, this one is a good size, but this one I just have like, I don't know, this 1/2 inch maybe. Then the chicken, we need to cut that half. This is a chicken thigh. I already cleaned that up. I removed the excess fat. See, no more fat. Maybe where that's so big, you just cut it like twice, just this size. There's some of the thighs is wide and they're big, like this one. I have to cut it like 3 times. You're gonna need like 1 pound of chicken thighs, just for like 3 people, serving for 3 people. Then we're going to marinate this for 30 minutes. We're going to put the soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of black peppers, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and a dust of garlic powder. Just marinate this for 30 minutes. Then we'll add a 2 tablespoons of oil. We just have to brown the chicken. Put it on medium heat. I forgot to mention, sprinkle your chicken like 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. That way the liquid will absorb to the cornstarch. You can put your fire to medium high. Just look at that. Oh, it's been like 4 minutes. It's not brown yet. You use the non-stick, it takes so long to brown. Okay, that should be enough. Transfer that there. Turn your fire to low because we're gonna add butter in there. Okay. Add the garlic there. And onions. Just let it light brown. Now we add the tomatoes. And we add the peppers. And we add the olives. This time you need to put your fire to high. Now we add the orange juice. Now let's add the broth. And we'll add the tomatoes, canned tomatoes. That's diced tomatoes. Let it simmer like 3 minutes. Put it on the high, your fire. Okay, let's simmer that for 3 minutes. Now you try the sauce and then you adjust your salt. You might need more salt. And then we're going to transfer all this sauce in there. Like this. And then we need to put the thyme on top. And you lower your fire to medium low. Okay, let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Then we'll add the parmesan later on top. Okay, let's add parmesan on top. You can also bake this one, but I don't like to bake it. This one's better for me. For me, this one's better than bake. Okay, let's wait for 3 minutes. Don't cover up anymore, just leave it like that until the cheese will melt. Okay, I think my casserole is ready. Alright, here is my Mediterranean chicken thighs casserole over Parmesan cheese. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget also to share with your friends and your family. Okie dokie, we'll see you next time. Okay, it's time to try. Very good, really good. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good. You can side with toast bread or also salad. I have broccoli, but I just don't put it here already. No more. So yes, you can side with the toast bread and salad.